Hi guys, welcome back in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about some important questions related to D block elements. This is part 4. If you don't watch part 1, 2 and 3, you should watch the video. Let's start today's class. Next from part 3, question 71, write down the name of transition metal or compound used in the form of catalyst in following processes: contact process, Haber process and Ostwald process. So answer will be in contact process, vanadium pentoxide is used as a catalyst. In Haber process, Fe, iron used as a catalyst, and in Ostwald process, platinum is used as a catalyst. Next, 72. Name the metal of first transition series which exhibits the oxidation state equal to its group number. Very important. Answer will be manganese +7. Next question 73. Which is stronger reducing agent, chromium 2 plus or Fe2 plus, and why? Answer will be chromium 2 plus is a stronger reducing agent. The reason for this is that the configuration of chromium 2 plus changes from D4 to D3. The D3 configuration is stable due to half-filled T2G orbitals. I repeat, chromium 2 plus is a stronger reducing agent than Fe2 plus. The reason for this is that the configuration of chromium 2 plus changes from D4 to D3. The D3 configuration is stable due to half-filled T2G orbitals. Next, question 74. Which oxidation state of manganese is dimagnetic and shows strongest oxidizing property? Important question. Answer will be +7. +7. Oxidation state of manganese is dimagnetic and shows strongest oxidizing property. Next, question 75. Write the number of unpaired electrons present in Fe3 plus ion. Answer will be the electronic configuration of Fe, atomic number 26, is 3d6 4s2. Thus, the electronic configuration of Fe3 plus ion is 3d5 4s0. So, number of unpaired electrons present in ferric ion is equal to 5. Next, question 76. What happens to the properties of transition metals due to formation of interstitial compound? Answer will be the metal becomes more hard and brittle. Next, 77. Why are transition elements known as D block elements? Important question. Answer will be transition elements known as D block elements because the last electron enters into n-1d orbital. Therefore, transition elements are known as D block elements. Next, 78. What is the common oxidation state of copper, Ag and Au. Important question, answer will be +1. Next, 79. Which metal in 3D series exhibits +1 oxidation state most frequent and why? Very important question. So answer will be copper. Copper exhibits +1 oxidation state. It is because copper has 3d10 4s1 outer electronic configuration. By losing one electron from 4s orbital, it attains stable configuration 3d10. I repeat, copper exhibits +1 oxidation state. It is because copper has 3d10 4s1 outer electronic configuration. By losing one electron, it attains stable configuration 3d10 fulfilled. Very important. Next, 80. Which divalent ion has maximum paramagnetic character among 3D transition metals? Answer will be important question, manganese 2+. It has 5 unpaired electrons. Electronic configuration of manganese 2+ ion is 3d5 4s0. Therefore, it has 5 unpaired electrons. Thus, in 3D transition metal series, manganese 2+ ion has maximum paramagnetic character. Next, 81. The lowest oxide of transition metal is basic, whereas the highest amphoteric or acidic. Why? Important question. Answer will be, in lower oxidation state, the oxides are ionic in nature. The oxide ion given by them forms hydroxide ion with water and acts as a base. Oxide ion given by them forms hydroxide ion with water and acts as base. I repeat, in lower oxidation state, the oxides are ionic in nature. Thus, oxide ion given by them forms hydroxide ion with water and acts as a base. As the oxidation state increases, the oxide becomes more and more covalent. Its tendency to give oxide ion decreases and formation of hydroxide ion become difficult. Therefore, basic character decreases and oxide become more and more acidic in highest oxidation state. Next, 82. Write down the number of 3D electrons in each of the following ions: titanium 2+, vanadium 2+, chromium 3+, Fe2+, cobalt 2+. Answer will be, the electronic configuration of titanium 2+ ion is argon 3d2 4s0. Thus, number of unpaired electrons are 2. Electronic configuration of vanadium 2+ ion is 3d3 4s0. Thus, number of unpaired electrons are 3. Similarly, electronic configuration of chromium 3+ ion is 3d3 4s0. So, number of unpaired electrons are 3. Electronic configuration of ferrous ion is 3d6 4s 0. Therefore, number of unpaired electrons are 4. And electronic configuration of cobalt 2 plus ion is argon 3d7 4s 0. And we know that in D7 configuration, number of unpaired electrons are 3. So, total number of 3d electrons in each of the ions are here 2, 3, 3 in Fe2 plus 6 and in cobalt 2 plus 7, and number of unpaired electrons are 2, 3, 3, 4, 3 respectively. Next, 83. Write the electronic configuration of Cu2 plus ion. Also calculate magnetic moment of Cu2 plus ion. So, answer will be the electronic configuration of cupric ion is argon 3d9 4s0. In D9 configuration, number of unpaired electrons is 1, and we know that magnetic moment mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Here the value of n is 1, so magnetic moment mu is equal to root of 1 into 1 plus 2, it means root 3. So answer will be 1.73 Bohr magneton. Next, question 84. The Fe2 plus ion is much more easily oxidized to Fe3 plus ferric ion than Mn2 plus ion to Mn3 plus ion. Explain why. So answer will be the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus is 3d5, which is half filled and hence more stable. Therefore, third electron cannot be lost easily. Hence, Mn2 plus ion is not easily oxidized to Mn3 plus ion. Very important. I repeat, the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus ion is 3d5, which is half filled, thus more stable. Third electron cannot be lost easily, and hence Mn2 plus ion is not easily oxidized to Mn3 plus ion. In case of Fe2 plus ion, the electronic configuration is 3d6, so it can lose one electron easily to give the stable configuration D5. Stable configuration D5, that is why Fe2 plus ion is easily oxidized to ferric ion Fe3 plus ion. Next, 85. Which of the following cations are colored in aqueous solutions and why? Scandium 3 plus, vanadium 3 plus, titanium 4 plus, manganese 2 plus. Answer will be the color of cations is depend on the number of unpaired electrons present in d orbitals. The electronic configuration of scandium 3 plus is 3d0 4s0, so it is colorless due to empty d orbitals. Similarly, the electronic configuration of vanadium 3 plus is 3d2. Here two unpaired electrons are present in d orbitals, so it undergoes DD transition. So it shows green color. Electronic configuration of titanium 4 plus is 3D0 4S0, similar to scandium 3 plus. So titanium 4 plus colorless due to empty d orbitals, and electronic configuration of Mn2 plus ion is 3D5 4S0 due to presence of 5 unpaired electrons. It undergoes DD electronic transition and shows pink color. So scandium 3 plus and titanium 4 plus colorless, whereas vanadium 3 plus green in color and manganese 2 plus pink in color due to presence of unpaired electron in d configuration, d orbital. Welcome again. Now we take some important MCQs. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question set. First question, the color of Cu2 2 plus ion is white, blue, orange, yellow. Important question. Answer, cuprous ion Cu2 2 plus cuprous ion is of white colored because cuprous ion has no unpaired electron. So answer will be option A, white. Next, second, which of the following set has all the colored ions? Option A, B, C and D. So answer option C, Cu2 plus, Fe2 plus and cobalt 2 plus. All the ions have unpaired d electrons, thus they are all colored ions. Next, third, which of the following set of elements does not belong to transition elements set? Option A, B, C and D. Answer option D, GaInTl. They belongs to P block. So answer option D. Next, question 4. Variable valency is shown by aluminium, magnesium, copper, none of the above. Answer option C, copper, because it is a transition element. Next, question 5. Which of the following ion show electronic configuration argon 3d6? Option A, Mn3 plus, option B, Fe3 plus, C, cobalt 3 plus, D, none of the above. So answer option C, cobalt 3 plus. The electronic configuration of cobalt 3 plus ion is argon 3d6. Next, 6. Which of the following has the maximum number of unpaired electron? Zinc, Fe2 plus, nickel 3 plus, none of the above. So answer, electronic configuration of zinc is 3d10 4s2. So number of unpaired electrons is 0. Electronic configuration of Fe2 plus ion is 3d6 4s0. Thus number of unpaired electrons in d6 configuration are 4. Electronic configuration of nickel 3 plus ion is 3d7 4s0. In d7 configuration, number of unpaired electrons are 3. So answer will be option B, Fe2 plus. Next, 7 and last, complex ion is shown by Ag, Cu, nickel, all of these. Answer will be option D, all of these. Ag, Cu and Ni are transition elements, thus form complex ion. So answer will be option D. Hopefully guys, you have understood about some important question related to D block elements